A lot of VOs out there, voiceover artists, are looking for the gear they need to use in order to get started, right? They're always worried about the mic, the audio interface, the recording space, which is all important. That's why I've created this professional beginner starter pack for VOs that is actually going to get you the sound that you need to have for your voiceover work that you're doing. Now, everyone wants to start with the mic, right? And I'm telling you right now, this mic from Senco is the mic you want to get. This microphone has been compared to the Sennheiser MKH 416, which we all know is a coveted mic for professional VOs. Now, there are a lot of reviews about this on YouTube from professional voice actors that swear by this thing. Now, the great thing about this mic, it's a shotgun mic. You're going to hold it like this or put it on your mic boom, and it's going to give you the sound quality you need. It's XLR connection. It's going to be able to fit into your audio interface via XLR. This is a condenser mic, so it is going to perform very, very well. And because of the small head that's on this thing and the element, all you have to do is point it at your mouth and it's going to pick you up. They use mics like this even in movies for the stuff that's out there. Now, the great thing about this mic, it's not going to break the bank. Right now on Amazon, link is in the description, by the way. This microphone, as I'm looking at it, is only $199. That's it. It's a $200 mic that is going to get you professional quality sound. The reason I have it is because it's what I use. One of the mics that I use, I should say. So if you want a great mic, this is the one you want to get. Now, let's take a look at your audio interface. This is by Ruxte. This is an audio interface. It comes with two inputs. You've got your phantom volt power. You've got the gain knobs for both of your mic inputs, which are XLR, or you can use the 1/4 inch to plug right into this as well. You've got a headphone jack, and you've got the volume for the headphones right over here, and the gain knobs for each of the mic inputs that are here. Now on the back, you have line out inputs that you can put speakers on if you would like to do that. This is USB right there. It's going to plug right into your laptop or computer via USB for this. Now, this from Ruxte, as I'm looking at this here, is only, and this is a 2-stage one here, this microphone is only $89.99 right now on Amazon. The link is in the description for you to get all of these right from my store, where I suggest all the different products for people to use in voiceover and other things too. Very good quality, very good build quality, low noise, no noise, and very good for you to use as an audio interface to get you going in VO. Now, here's the thing everybody wants to know, right? One of the things that I use to make sure that I get proper sound, and if you've watched my channel, you've heard me talk about sound quality. Sound quality is extremely important. It is extremely important. And you want to make sure that you're recording in a space that is conducive for what it is you're doing. So let me take this camera off of the thing here, and I'm going to show you my studio. This is it. Link is in the description for this. And let me show you on the inside. I'll just turn some lights on in here because you come in here and it's rather dark, but it comes with a little light. And so there's plenty of room, and you probably heard the tone and the sound of my voice change with this as well. So I have my microphone set up on the boom. I have my recorder here. I don't plug directly into my computer. I have a recorder, and I take out the SD card, pop that into my computer so that I can use it. I also have, a little stand here that it comes with to hold my tablet so that I can put my script right up there. And of course, the mic that's there. It comes with this light on the inside. And you can see I've got plenty of room. I'm 220, 5'11". Plenty of room in here for me to move around in this whole space. Now, the great thing about this as I walk back out of this little studio here, the great thing about this is it's portable. It can be moved around. It takes about 25 minutes to put together. I have a video on my YouTube channel that shows me actually putting this thing together. Here's the thing. It's only $4.99. $499.99. So $500. This entire setup, you can get all of it for under $800. And I want you to understand that having a professional studio is not something that should break your bank. You shouldn't be looking to spend a ton of money, especially just starting out. But there are three things that you need. The first thing that is most vital is the recording space. The recording space, I don't care how much your mic costs, if you don't have a proper recording environment, your sound is not going to be good. The second thing is you want to make sure that you have a high quality trusted microphone like the one here that I hold, the Senco Mic D2, right? And then also you want an appropriate audio interface, which is this one from Ruxte. All of this is linked in the description of this video, so you can go grab it right now. A whole complete beginner pro studio setup for voiceover under $800. Check the links, check out the reviews, go ahead, get started, and make sure that you're doing some great work in VO. I'll see you on the next video.